Senna tea, use this for a wonderful colon cleanse. Senna tea is a wonderful way to do a colon cleanse. The senna herb is grown in tropical areas of the world, and the leaves from the plant are used in teas and other items as a stimulant laxative. The senna herb was first consumed in Asia by Arabian doctors to treat indigestion, infections, and fevers. It is currently made into a tea or put into laxatives. It can also be used for a great colon cleanse. Before going into video, make sure subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. So let's get started. What causes someone to lose weight by using senna tea is the natural stimulant laxative property of this herb. By drinking too much or a strong tea too often, you will have rapid bowel movements. This will have a weight loss effect, but it can also be dangerous to your health. It should be used as a colon cleanse, which is not done very often. It seems that colon cleanse products are everywhere these days. Since senna is the main ingredient in most colon cleanses sold, why not just drink senna tea, which has a good flavor, and you will get the same results. Senna has a history dating back thousands of years as being a great digestive aid, so you can count on it being safe. Doing a colon cleanse is a terrific way to get rid of the toxins in your body. Senna tea is great for people who have hemorrhoids and for those who have had rectal surgery. Senna works so quickly that your body doesn't have time to absorb liquid. This causes your stool to be softer and eases any pain you may have when trying to go to the bathroom. Ballerina tea also has senna and can be used for the same reason. To avoid the cramps that may happen with senna, you have to make sure that you use it correctly. Less is always better when you first try this tea. See how your body reacts to it. If you steep the tea bags in cold water for about 10 hours, it will lessen the resin in the tea. It is the resin which causes the cramps. Senna tea is very helpful for constipation, as long as you follow the above suggestions. If you are going to do a colon cleanse, you would want the tea to be stronger. But again, this is not something you would do very often. You might not want to drink senna tea every day as a weight loss product, but it is great to use when you are constipated or for detoxing your system. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.